everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create user access for your users to provide them access to Kidsoft. So when clicking on your service menu and under configuration, you're going to click on user accounts. Now remember, setting up a user access is in two parts. So you would have already created the user account at this point. So to create the user access for the user, click on User Access. If you would like to give the user access to just the service, you can click here to add New Service Provider Access. Select the user from the drop-down box. Select the service provider, and then you're going to select the user role. This is what determines which access the user has in Kidsoft. You will notice there's an end date field. This is not mandatory, and we do not recommend entering in an end date unless you know when the user is ending their access in Kidsoft. When an end date is entered in, the system will automatically end the user access for this user. When you're ready to complete this action, you can click Update User Access. To provide a user group access, so in these situations, it's for a group with multiple services and you're allowing the user to have access across all services in the group, you're going to click here to add a new group access. Again, select the user from the drop-down box, select your group, and then select your role. And then you're going to click Update User Access. For further information on how to access your user roles and user access, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.